Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to mute notifications sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click on the sound section. Here you can set the ringtone and notification volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should swipe this red dot to the left side with your finger, but by this way you will mute not only your device notifications but also the ringtones. And here, just to stay over the ringtones, I suggest you to unmute this volume panel and then just click here to the default notification sound and switch your currently notification tone just to the silent, and just click here to OK, and by this way we'll mute our device notifications but we'll stay with the ringtones. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.